Congratulations, Ajit, for getting your visa.
Thank you.
So, how are you feeling right now?
I feel ecstatic. It's been a pretty wild journey, been a good journey, and I thank Compass for accompanying me.
Okay, so how did you find about Compass?
So I saw a Facebook ad. My father saw a Facebook ad and told me about it, and I looked into it, and I guess it worked out.
Okay, so you find out about us on Facebook, right?
Yeah.
How was the journey with us?
It's been good, from visa processing, university selection, to finance help, all the way to visa interview. You guys have really helped me a lot, and just gave me the opportunity to shine in the visa interview and stuff. So again, I really thank you for that.
Oh, well, so were you actually informed everything about the time and everything?
Oh yeah. You guys gave me updates timely, updated my DS since I had a few mistakes, and plus I even collect my passport. So yeah.
Okay, so Ajit, would you recommend Compass to your friends and other people?
For sure, I think even for the money that they offer the services for, I think it's a bargain if you ask me, for all the things that they do for you, visas again. It's really a bargain for me. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend to my friends.
Okay, again, congratulations for getting the visa. So towards the end, can you share some words to the students who are actually trying to go to USA for the higher education?
The biggest thing I can say is, do not stress. If you get rejected, it is what it is. You'll get opportunities in the future, and just go along with it. And hopefully you'll end up in US like me.
Okay, so thank you for reaching out to us, and thank you.